Hey everyone!
Welcome to this week's video. As you can see, we're in the van!
Yeah!
So we've been lucky enough to be testing out the van for a few days now. We can't wait to show you more about it, but it'll be next week, not this week, because this week we have a special video. Something we've never shown you before, something maybe a bit more original. We'll see if you like it. Comment after this if you like that type of video. We are showing you a Super 8 video.
But what is Super 8? Super 8 is a camera that was used in the 60s, 70s, and 80s. It was made for doing home films, and in the past few years they were having some sort of resurgence actually. And it's been some sort of hobby of mine since 2018 now. I have 3 cameras. We shot different films with it as well, basically travel videos with it. Anyways, Super 8 films are small rolls. They come in a cartridge that you put in your camera, and they produce a very short video of 3 minutes and 15 seconds, more or less. Okay, so it's really short. Every shot counts. And they also have different types of cartridges for like in more daylight, indoors, stuff like that. So I'm still testing out all of the different varieties. Also, Super 8, another very important thing, they have no sound. None. No sound. So we're gonna have a music over it. This week, we're gonna be showing you a video of ours, our latest one that just came in, that was supposed to be from our full year from 2019 to 2020. But COVID happened. In the middle of our film, we were stuck in our apartment, so it wasn't a lot of stuff that we could film except our plants. You'll see a bit of that. But so that's why it took a really long time to finish filming that cartridge, and it just finished in early 2021.
Yeah.
So we finally managed to develop it, process it, and then put it on digital.
So it maybe won't make much sense to you. You'll be like an inside look in our lives, but it'll be interesting, I guess, to see what quality of footage, what type of film it is.
So we hope you enjoy. I will let the video play for itself, and we'll see you at the end of the video.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Ooh.
So that was our video. We certainly hope you enjoyed as much as we did watching it. It's a lot of great memories. If you like this video, we have a few more that we could show you, notably our trip to Portugal in 2019. So that could be very nice. Just leave a comment below if you're interested. We'll maybe throw it out there down the line.
And one thing that's cool to know, well, the other video is with a different cartridge.
Yeah, cartridge.
So the quality is actually a little better. The colors are brighter and more saturated.
Yeah, so you might like it more.
Yes.
Anyways, hope you liked it. Leave a like, a comment, subscribe to our channel for more of this type of content, maybe.
Find us on Instagram as well.
Yes.
Same name, Will and Gab. Ready to go.
And next week, you're going to be seeing our first road trip with the van.
Yeah.
Ciao, guys.
Bye. See you next week.